Don't forget to press the subscribe button and this bell icon for free future notifications. Contact me for further orders and appointments. Details are given in the description box. So for making these earrings, we need two colors of yarn, orange and yellow, 11 number of crochet hook, two earrings, these are small earrings with the earring loop, and a scissor. So let's start. Firstly, we will use this orange color yarn and we will start by making a magic ring like this. We will put 12 double crochet in this magic ring. These two chain in the starting will also be counted as a double crochet. So like this, our 12 double crochets are ready and this will form a round as a result like this. Our round or our circle is ready now. Just join the ends by making a slip stitch. Now chain 2 and then put 2 double crochet in every next stitch. Okay, or you can make a single double crochet. Here I am making a single double crochet. So like this, we will just put 2 single double crochet in every next stitch. So in total we will have 12 single double crochet in this round. See, our second round is also complete and now we will just chain 1 and cut off the extra yarn like this. So the base for the earrings are ready now. Just tie these extra pieces so that it will be more sustainable or like more tight like this. And now just attach this flowers especially for haldi ceremony and this earring loop like this. Just attach to the middle and by using a glue gun or a fabric glue you can just make it attach to this base like this. And now we will attach this flower. And if you want to learn how I made this flower, the link is given in the description box. The video is really very short and I don't want to make the repeated video. Hence I have given the link in the description box. Please check it out, friends. See, by using a glue gun or by using a needle and a thread, we will just attach this flower to this base. These flowers are really very easy to make, so please check out the video and just try it. See, like this, our earring is almost ready now. Yeah, it's ready. And if you want to make a maangteeka, you can just attach a dori on the top of this and this will be act as a maangteeka also. So in this video we have completed the maangteeka and the earring, and if you want to learn how to make the necklace and the bracelet, check out the link of the video in the description box. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And by this I'm just ending this video. I hope you love it. Please tell me your suggestion and views in the comment box. So by this, bye bye friends, and see you soon in my next video.